Sit or lie with your back straight, your hands loose by your side or on your lap, and also make sure that your legs are not crossed or your feet. As you breathe in and breathe out, your body starts to relax. 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 Breathing in pink energy, rising up from the ground into your feet. This pink energy flows through your legs, flows up your torso, into your shoulders and down your arms into your fingertips. It flows up your neck and into your head, filling your head and your entire body with its warmth and glow. Breathing in and out. Breathing in. A golden orb appears above your head. A golden orb of white, shimmering light. Allow your crown chakra to open and the orb to descend into your head, filling your head down to the cellular level with its glowing white light. And it pours down your neck, into your shoulders, into your arms, hands, and down to the fingertips, flowing down your torso, flowing into your legs, through your feet, toes, and out the bottom of your feet into the earth. Pink and white blend through your body. And now this white golden light pours out of the top of your head and flows all over your body, cocooning you in a shell. In front of you is a doorway. Take the handle and step through into a beautiful garden. Look around and make a note of what you can see. Plants, the ground, water, the air, the sky. Beneath your feet you feel the dirt between your toes. Bend down and scoop up handfuls of soil and allow it to flow through your fingers. How does the soil feel and what does it look like? Its texture and colour, its nature. Lie down in the dirt and connect with it. Feel it touching your body. What is it telling you? What does it need? Tend to your soil. Nurture it. Connect with it and communicate with it. You are now drawn to the water in your garden. And as you move to the water and put your feet into the water, you look at it closely. You look at its texture, its colour, its motion. Walk into the water until you are completely immersed. Feel the water flowing around your body, and listen to it. How does it feel? What does it need? Move out of the water and tend to it. Nurture it. Standing tall or sitting in your garden, draw in deep breaths of the air. Fill your lungs, inhaling deeply. And now release the air slowly. Continue to take deep breaths. And as you feel the air filling your lungs and leaving your lungs, also feel the air moving over your body and caressing it. What does the air in your garden look like? How does it feel? What does it need? Are you feeling warm? Are you comfortable? Are you cold? How does each bit of your body feel? Is each part the same temperature? Look up to the sun and move around until you feel the sun's rays touching each parts of your body, allowing it to move through your skin into each cell of your body. Is there any part of your body that needs more sun, that needs more light and warmth? Is there any part of your body that's too hot and needs to cool off, to slow down? Work your way through your body, feeling each part and what it needs. Your head, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your right hand, your left hand, your chest, your abdomen, your hips, your back, your internal organs, your legs, your right foot, your left foot, Return to any parts that you felt needed some attention, needed some nurturing, and bring in the light of the sun. Now look around you at the plants within your garden. Look at the vitality of the plants. What plants are there? Do more plants need to come in? Or do plants need to be taken out? What areas of your plants need tending? Touch the flowers, the leaves. Sit amongst your plants. Allow them to caress your body and let them tell you how they feel and what they need. Tend to the plants. Connecting with them and communicating with them as you nurture them. You see a table in the centre of your garden and a cloth on top of the table covering some items. Remove the cloth and study anything that you see on top of the table. Take the cloth and place it around you as you take the last look around your garden. And as you cover yourself in the cloth, your garden fades away and your body starts to return once more into this physical reality, to this place and this time. Feel each of your body parts waking. Wiggle them. Return the physical sensation to each of your fingers, your toes, your feet and your hands, and gradually reawaken once more. Deep roots leaving your feet, grounding you in the earth. And as I count down from 5 to 0, you will once more be fully present here and now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Open your eyes in your own time.